Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by confirming your Fc25 firmware matches the live editor version. Mismatches cause failures. Connect the device over USB-C and enable developer mode if needed so the editor can access hardware. Once connected, open Live Editor, choose New Project, and select the Fc25 as target. Make sure to set the correct baud and protocol in the connection pane. This gets you past initial blockers and puts the editor in a ready state to upload, edit, and monitor in real time. Now focus on binding controls and testing them. Drag widgets onto the layout grid and bind each to the corresponding Fc25 parameter, because direct bindings ensure responsive control. In the inspector, set value ranges, smoothing, and MIDI-CC mappings so signals translate correctly. These settings prevent jitter and spikes. Once done, enable Live Preview to send real-time updates and watch the editor log for errors or dropped messages. If values behave oddly, adjust filtering and rebind the control to test again. Finish by saving your project and exporting the configuration to the Fc25 internal flash or an SD backup so you can revert if needed. Perform a full sweep test. Cycle every control and scene to confirm behavior under real use and note any anomalies for quick fixes. If something goes wrong, first reset the USB connection and power cycle the device. Make sure drivers are current and, if persistent, reinstall the editor or restore the last working backup. This sequence secures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.